Hello everyone, I mean mostly ladies and of course gentlemen. In this video I am going to show you how I built Robotime's DIY kit Locus's sitting room. Here is the content of the box, you see. Additionally, you just need a scissor and a cutting blade, that's all. All other tools are provided within the kit. Since this is my first DIY kit, you will see lots of mistakes, but I am satisfied with the final product. I hope you will think the same way in the end of the video. Come join me with the whole building process. So let's get started. First step was painting the walls and then assembling them. But as I said, there will be lots of mistakes. Here you see the first one, which is painting the wrong side of the wood. But luckily, I soon realized that I was doing wrong and stopped painting the walls. And when the walls are assembled, I painted all surfaces with the spray paint, which was easier and looks even in all surfaces. After the walls are assembled, I continue to the process with the base, where the switch of the lights will be hiding in. Now cutting the hardwood template sheet to cover the base floor. I thought I should paint the floor instead of using this template, but I did not want to risk it in my first kit. Now it's time to build the cabinets and the coffee table. I used white glue for all wood parts as instructed in the manual. I suggest you to do the same thing for all wood parts. And forget about any excesses, since they will be all invisible after it's fully dry. Remember not to use the other glue instead of white glue. So the green one has finished, now it's time to build the other ones. You might ask me what F represents here. It represents nothing. And also A. And also B or 8. There is no subliminal messages here. Trust me. Or is it? I watched several miniature house building videos on YouTube, and I think I should say something like, "Oh my god, look at this, so cute!" somewhere around here. Okay, let me tell you a quick true story about this tiny room while you are watching the video. After I shared the photos of the completed version of the tiny room on my social media accounts, lots of my friends and family members asked me how I decorated such a lovely room and what part of my house is decorated like this. They somehow thought the pictures were from real life. Now I think I should say, what do you think about this? Let me know in the comments to force your subconsciousness to comment to this video for more interactions. And of course also subscribe. Subscribe, like the video, comment, share the video, subscribe. One more time, subscribe. Okay, I think that's enough. I always feel like somebody's watching me. Okay, while I was distracting you, cabinets are almost finished and time to move on with the coffee table. I got a little hand from my daughter here for the coffee table. Coffee table was the easiest item of this kit since it has only 5 or 6 parts. I used real toothpicks for the legs, and coffee table is also finished. Now it's time to build the most difficult item of this project, which was the sofa, because it has real fabrics to cover the skeleton. Cutting the template sheet for the cover made from real fabric. I marked the cutting line of the fabric with white pencil and cutting it with the regular scissor. This is one of the cushions of the sofa. There are 3 in total. Now gluing the fabric to the main skeleton, which was a hard thing to do. You need to have experience. You see pillows out there in the video right now. I will show how I made them later in this video. Here's a quick preview of the completed sofa with the pillows. Let's move on with another difficult item, which is the guitar. Actually, it was not difficult. Let me give you a secret. I did not follow the manual. But hey, this is my first kit, right? Real happiness is the journey of the whole building process itself, correct? As the great Bob Ross said, we don't make mistakes. They are just happy little accidents. Now for the second time, let me know what you think in the comments. And also, do not forget to subscribe. Subscribe. Now the guitar is almost finished. Okay, let's continue with the pillows. They are so simple to make. First, cut the fabric from the template sheet, fold it from half, glue 3 edges and leave 1 edge open, like you see in the video. Next step, fill all of them with fibers and glue the open edge. And that's all. Again, let me show you a sneak peek. There were more than 20 books, so I will only show you one of them and skip the video. It's very simple to do. Here is a little box for the books. There are 3 of them. Now here are some vase or huge flower pots. I don't know the exact term for these. After folding the cardboard circle and gluing it, I covered all surface with the ropes. Now another cool item. A vintage record player made of wood and covered with paper. Are you still with me? Still watching? Because I always feel like somebody's watching me. Next item is the chandelier or candle holder. I don't know what you call it. First, I lined up all little copper parts in the order and glued them one by one, starting from bottom to the top. Next, the holders in both sides of it, again from copper stick. I have an emergency matter to handle, so here's my friend Alvin from Chipmunks. He will be your host for a while. I'll be back soon.
Candles are from stuffed paper. I glued one to the top and two to the both sides of the candle, top of the holders. And it's also finished. Empty your mind. Be formless, shapeless, like water. Now you put water in a cup, it becomes the cup. You put water in a bottle, it becomes the bottle. You put it in a teapot, it becomes the teapot. Now water can flow or it can crash. Be water, my friend.
Okay, I'm back. Thanks, Alvin. Now time to make the flowers. For green leaves, I fold the paper in half and cut it like this, and then cut in half. Picture frames are the easiest ones. Just cut the paper, glue the corners and edges, and glue the wood part to the top. And that's all. This is the window frame, in case you don't understand what it is. I don't want to explain the lights, how I did them, because I don't know. Yeah, really, I don't know how I did it. I did not want to glue the battery pack to the base in case of an emergency situation, like, I don't know. Here is another happy accident. No, actually this is a huge mistake, to use nails to strengthen the base. But we managed to complete the set And now the most entertaining part, the decoration phase. Thank you for joining me building this cute DIY kit, Locus's sitting room. I have Polymer clay how to sculpt videos where I sculpt figures mostly from vintage cartoons and video games. Also time-lapse how to draw videos again from vintage cartoons and video games. Also some how to play music related videos in my channel. So if you are interested in those and more, I kindly ask you to subscribe to my channel, like my videos and share them to keep me motivated. So see you in another random art related video. Also keep yourself busy with any kind of art. See you. I again feel something weird. I always feel like somebody's watching me.